Hello there, this is Sophia Harris from Lau Global Consulting, and I'm here to share with you 3 tips for how to get sponsorship. Now, so many people have reached out to me since my departure from the Jamaica Football Federation, where I signed dozens of sponsorship contracts, local and international. But I've always had international business experience with global brands, global entities. So I knew what I brought to the table, and since then I have amassed an even greater global network and strategic outlook. So here are my 3 tips for how to get sponsors. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. Maybe we can help you. Tip number 1, do an audit. What do you have that you think is valuable? Tip number 2, organize these valuable assets in a way that is commercializable. So I would start off with maybe getting your trademarks, protecting your assets and organizing them in a way that other international brands would want to align with them. Thirdly, identify who you're targeting. And once you identify who you're targeting, then I would say package your assets in a way that is attractive to your target. This is key, essential, and it's not as simple as it sounds. I'll throw in an extra tip. List and prioritize all stakeholders, because when it comes to money, everyone wants to be involved and everyone has something to say. And you're going to have to incorporate key stakeholders in the development of any kind of strategic plan in order to raise sponsorship. So I would say, take a look at where you are, organize it, package it according to who you're targeting, and ensure that you are strategic in how you incorporate your stakeholders in the process. It's a collaborative effort, especially when it's involving large events, a lot of content like YouTube content, or sporting bodies, sporting associations, which I have a lot of experience in. Get your product to a point where the biggest brands in the world would want to say, I want to be associated with that. Also, decide what you stand for. That's important right now. It matters, and it matters a lot in the world that we're living in right now, and the new next norms of global commercial activity. What you stand for is very, very important. So for sponsorships, can I think of anything else I can leave you with today that I don't want to give away too much, but let's see. Engage an expert negotiator. Oftentimes, when you're looking for money, you tend to be a small fish in a big pond. And the people that you're seeking money from, they tend to be big fish in a bigger pond. They have more resources, more experience, and more expertise in negotiation. Engage an expert negotiator. Lau Global Consulting has certified negotiators. We can help. You don't want to be taken advantage of. You want to go to the table armed with experience, tools, techniques, tactics, and understanding that will help you get to a win-win situation. Thanks for listening. Reach out to us anytime. We're always here to help. LauGlobalConsulting.com. We're on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram. We are here to help.